Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So I uploaded a video not too long ago explaining the command cut system on my 2038R, and the one thing I noticed is I forgot to include on the dash what it looks like when you see your deck going up and down. So this is going to be a super short video just showing you that feature and kind of explain some of the other stuff when you bump the lever to play around with your deck height. Other than that, it's a super hot day up here in the Northeast. It's about 92 degrees, real high humidity, and yeah, ugh. Bruh. Okay, so what I didn't show you on video is I did show this section doing all the different numbers and the heights of how high the deck, or excuse me, how high the blade was off the ground. But what I didn't show you is over here there's like a little arrow that shows you back and forth like your decks. Well, let me just start it up and show you. So as you can see, I was just going in increments as far as, I went to number 4, 3, and 2. Now, the one thing I wanted to point out is there are like half steps between the 2, 3, 4, but it goes from 4 to 5. There's like no half steps. So I'm going to set it for the number 4 and bring it up. Then I'm going to move it to number 5, but with that, I'm just going to bump it so you can actually see, because you're going to be pulling back to bring the deck up. So I'm just going to do like little bumps, and you'll see the arrow like move just a little bit, so you can play around in between heights. So let me show you that. So let me set this back to 4. I'm going to pull this back and hold. Now, I'm going to go to number 5, and I'm just going to do light little bumps. So I'll be just doing like little taps. Let's go down to number 5, and I'll bump it going downward. Hopefully you were able to see that. As far as I was trying to hold the camera as steady as I could, and yeah, if you have it set to like say like 4 and you're going downwards and you keep holding this, it won't go any lower. It'll just go to 4 and then that's it. Then if you hit 5 and bring it up, it'll just go to 5. Okay everybody, that's going to do it for this video. I just wanted to show you that real quick, and hopefully it came out on camera pretty good. I had to move it into the shade because you really couldn't see the numbers because it's pretty bright out here. But anyways, I'll link my original video at the end of this video, so if you haven't seen it, be sure to check that out. If you found this to be kind of cool and helpful, a thumbs up would be appreciated. Other than that, that's about it. Time to get mowing. It's hot. So Until then, I'll see you guys again soon in my next video.
But I want it now!